Hey everyone, so here is your little synopsis on how to create your own Google Classroom. So in Gmail, you're going to come over to your dots over here that say Google Apps. You're going to click. You're going to go to Google Classroom. Up are either going to pop up your classrooms or your classes that you are a part of. So you're going to come over here to the plus. You're going to click and you're going to say create a class. So I'm going to create a class, let's just say, Mrs. McFarland's PE class, section 3, put it on the top there. Section 3, maybe 6th grade or something, and then subject, PE, room, gym. And then you're going to create. And it's going to take a while. Here we go, so it pops up. And that is how you create your own Google Class. And here, up at the top left, is your Google Class code. You can show them, and then this is how the students would log into your class.